Hi, I'm Valentina Graci. I'm one of the principal investigators within CChIPS, which have been involved since 2017. I have a pretty much an eclectic background. I'm an experimental psychologist, but I did my PhD in biomechanics, and I worked in biomechanics for a long time before to get to automotive. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Biomedical Engineering at Drexel, and I'm also the director of the CHOPS lab laboratory. You can scan the QR code here. If you like, you can see what we do in our lab. We are the home of several custom-made devices that mimic what a vehicle does on the road, such as emergency braking and ABC swerving, and we test real children and real humans on these labs. So my research areas are the following. Having an eclectic background really helps you to kind of span to kind of investigate different type of arenas. One of the first one that I decided to tackle was current and future vehicle warnings. One of the things that we notice is that teenagers respond to warnings very differently from adults. And particularly, we design a new type of warning based on our physiology on the startle reflex. And we notice that teens were not very responsive to that, while instead adults do. That kind of warning based on the startle reflex has been noticed in neurorehabilitation because he accelerates reaction time. He helps the driver to get out of the loop in that case, to get back in the loop in the case of an autonomous vehicle. However, teens are different animals, and so we need to understand how this is better. Can we better design those warnings for them? Besides that, I do a lot of biomechanics research. We do both crash and pre-crash investigation, particularly in non-standard seating configuration. We have both tested human volunteer on low acceleration impact sleds, the one in our lab, and we both partner with outside partners to test, such as Calspan or Medical College of Wisconsin, to test the LODC, the new child dummy that NHTSA has developed. And we test this dummy in reclined seating configuration. So I think, what the main outcome of this research is that the booster seat can help in preventing submarining and reclined seating, so it could be a tool also for automated vehicles, but we all have to work in understanding how can we make those portable. Robotaxi and also current travel option and ride-sharing option are really limited for parents to keep their kids safe, but still have a portable feasible option for them to see their kids on. And so this is definitely an area of research that I'm focusing on now. Most of my lab has been also focusing in developing automated emergency braking and understanding how that influences occupant motion. Most of the regulation focus on understanding how to protect pedestrians, which is crucial. But the way AEB performs in different vehicles may influence the occupants differently. And so we may have a variety of auto position out there when AEB will become a standard feature in all vehicles that may expose to different type of level of injuries. And so our lab tried to understand what is the most advantageous AEB we can have in the vehicle, so that standards can also be including occupant safety and not only pedestrian safety. And that's all for me. Thank you.